morning, students. Till now we have completed the next lesson, that is the circle. Now locus of point, na? Locus of point at equal distance. Center and the which length is the radius. Now how we can make equation of a circle? Always suppose it is at h and a, and radius is r. Suppose this point is a, whose coordinate is x and y. Now in class 10 we have learned the distance formula. Okay, so distance formula, that is OA is equal to under root x1 minus x2, and then x minus h square plus y1 minus y2, that is y minus a square. That means this OA is equal to r. So r is equal to under root x minus h square plus y minus a square. Okay. Now if you square both sides, you will get r square is equal to x minus h square plus y minus a square. So this is the standard equation of a circle. You can find out the equation of a circle using this formula, where h and k is 2 points on the center, and this point x and y is a point on the circle. Okay. Now, if whose coordinate means x square plus y square is equal to r square, where r is the radius. Just replace h and k by 0. You will get x square, y square is equal to r square. Okay. Let me discuss one example based on this. Y minus y1. Okay, now this becomes square of x minus 3. This becomes square of y plus 2 is equal to square of 5, that is 25. Clear? So now if we expand this, this becomes x square, the a minus b whole square, that is a minus 2ab, 3 2 is 6x, plus b square, that is 9. And then square of a plus b, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So y square plus 2ab, 2 2 is 4y, and plus y square, that is 4, is equal to 25. Clear? Now if we arrange this, we will get x square minus 6x plus y square plus 4y plus 9 and 4, that is 13. And if we transfer this 25 left side, it becomes minus 20. Clear? So this becomes x square minus 6x plus y square plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. Okay, so we have learned how to find the equation of a circle whose center is given, okay, and any point on the circle is given, and radius. 3 things is given, that is the center and radius is given, 2 points are given. Okay, now let us see how we can find out the equation of a circle whose end points of diameter is given. End points of diameter means, suppose this is the circle with center, a and b are the diameter, whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, how we can find out this equation of this circle? Now again, let the radius be r. Now we can use the formula, midpoint formula, and then we can go through the previous one. Or another way, we can use, take any point p, x and y, whose coordinate is x, y, join this PA and PB. Okay, now we have learned that the triangle in a semicircle is right angle triangle. That means this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so How we can find out? If you remember, is to find their slope. Okay, that means first the slope of AP, that is denoted by M1, is equal to y2 minus y1. Now that means x minus x1. To find the slope of PV, let us denote it by M2, y minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. This becomes x minus x2. Okay, now we will use the product of slopes should be minus 1. Okay, as these two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slope should be minus 1. That means y minus y1 upon x minus x1 into y minus y2 upon x minus x2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, if we transfer to that side, the numerator becomes y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to minus times x minus x1 into x minus x2, because minus is there. Now we will transfer this both term to this side. This becomes x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus, because it is already in plus and this one is negative. If transfer this to the left side, so it becomes positive. So plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This equation will be used when the end points of the diameter is given. Okay, let me discuss an example based on this. It is given that find the equation of a circle, the end points of whose diameters are 2, minus 3 and minus 3, 5. Okay, now radius is not given, so we need not in this formula there is no use of radius also. Clear? So what we will do, we will use this formula x minus x1, that is minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, that is x minus x1 and x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay, this becomes x minus 2, this becomes x plus 3, this becomes y plus 3 and this becomes y minus 5. If you multiply x into x, this becomes x square plus 3x minus 2x, this is to plus x, and minus 2 into plus 3, that is minus 6. Okay, again y into y square, then y into minus 5 and y into 3, minus 5 plus 3, this becomes minus 2y, plus minus minus 15 is equal to 0. This becomes x square plus y square plus x minus 2y, and these two are negative terms, so they will be added. 21 is equal to 0. This one is the equation of circle. Other way, what we can do, we can find out its midpoint. Okay, then midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2. This means 2 and minus 3 becomes minus 1. So its coordinate becomes minus 1 by 2, and minus 3 plus 5, that becomes 2. 2 by 2, that is 1. Again we can use the other way when center and radius is given. So we need to find out its radius. The radius will be square root of x1 minus x2, that is 2 minus 1 by 2 plus y1 minus y2, that is minus 3 minus 1. This gives 2 plus 1 by 2 plus this gives minus 4. Now that becomes 2 to the 4 and 1, 5 by 2 square plus square of minus 4. this becomes 25 by 4 plus 16. Okay, this becomes, if you add the LCM, 25 plus 64, what happened? 81, sorry, 89 by 4. 89 by 4 means under root 89 by 2 unit. Okay, and then we know the radius, and we will use this point, this center x minus 1 by 2 square plus y minus 1 square is 2 radius square, that is 89 by 4. Simplify this also, we will get the same process, same equation. So diameter is given directly, we can use this formula, or you can go through the center also. Okay. Let us see an example. Suppose one question is given, find the equation of a circle passing through the point 2 and 4 and 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now something different is there. The center lies on the intersection of these two lines. So if we solve these two lines, we will get its center, and this line, this point is given that it is passing through this point. So let's first find out its center. We can simplify this as x minus y is equal to 4. This can be written as a 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 7. Now if we equate the coefficient of y, here already it is 3, we need to multiply these terms with 3. So if you multiply these terms with 3, this gives 3x minus 3y is equal to 12, while this gives 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 7. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll just add these two terms, it will be cancelled because one is positive, other one is negative. So this cancel, this becomes 5x, and 12 minus 7, that is 5. So this gives x is equal to 5 by 5, that is 1. Now replace this value of 1 here. What we will get? 1 minus y is equal to 4. So 1 minus 4 is equal to y, means y is equal to minus 3. That means the center of the circle is at point 1 and minus 3. Clear? Now we'll draw a rough figure. We get its center as 1 and minus 3. And it's given that this circle is passing through 2 and 4. Now the first step we'll do to find its radius. Again, radius, for radius we will use the distance formula, x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 1, plus y2 minus y1, this becomes 4 minus and minus plus 3, because negative and negative changes to positive. So this becomes square of 1, this becomes square of 7, that is 1 plus 49 under root 50. Okay, now second step, we will use this formula, x minus x1 square, x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to square of r. Remember, just replace the value. This becomes x minus h, h is 1, plus y minus k, minus minus plus 3 is equal to r square, means square of under root 50. Okay, now simplify, we'll get the equation. Now let us see another example. It is given that find the equation of a circle of radius 5 unit whose center lies on the x-axis. X-axis and passing through 2 and 3. Okay, now it is given that the center lies on the x-axis. Suppose let us draw a rough figure. Coordinate is somewhere else. Suppose this is the center. As the center lies on x-axis, means its y coordinate is 0. Suppose the center is your h and 0. K coordinate becomes 0. Radius is given as a 5 unit and it is passing through 10. Okay, so this I have just drawn a rough figure of this. The center lies on x-axis, so y coordinate will be 0. That point I have taken as h and 0. Radius it has been given as a 5 unit and it is passes through 2 and 3. So first we need to find out the value of h. First step, we need to find the value of h, and then we will use the formula x minus h square plus y minus k means 0 is equal to r square. Okay, to find the value of h, again we will use distance formula. Suppose this point A, so square of OA is equal to x1 minus x2, that is h minus 2 plus 0 minus 3. Clear? Now OA is given as a 5 unit, is equal to h minus 2 square plus square of minus 3. This becomes 25 is equal to square of h minus 2 plus 9. Now we will transfer this to this side. This becomes 25 minus 9 is equal to h minus 2 square. Okay, so square of h minus 2 is 16. H minus 2 reduces to under root 16. This gives us plus minus 4. So we will get two values. H is equal to 2 plus minus 4 becomes 6, or if you take negative, this becomes minus 2. So two values are there. Either the center is 6, 0 or minus 2 and 0. Again, now we will use this formula to find the equation of the circle. That is x minus 6 square plus y square is equal to square of 5, or the other one will be x minus minus plus 2 square plus y square is equal to again square of 5. So two equations we will get. Okay. क्या कमेंट लिखा है?